Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel LearnIT. Today we will be having another session focused on use case scenario for requirement fulfillment which we apply in our day-to-day development activities. So if you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel LearnIT. Please watch my videos till the end for complete information. Alright, so let's proceed further and see what is our scenario. So we have to close all incident tasks from a button in the parent incident form without waiting users to work on other tasks or activities. So what does that mean is like we have to close all incident tasks on background. That means we have to do some code synchronization so that it runs on asynchronous way, right? So we have business rule to write asynchronous business rule, but here we are talking about how to do it using our button which is present in the incident form. All right, so let's proceed further and see how we can utilize asynchronous call from a button in incident form so that it runs on backend. All right, so let's proceed further. So let me open up my incident form first. So these are my incident list, and now what I will try to do, I have opened one of the incident, and now we will see we have a incident form and we are having two open tasks under this. All right, so now what I will do is like I will try to create an UI action here, and then we will proceed further. So let me try to create UI action first. Alright, so now I will click and write close all tasks. Okay, so what I will do, I will leave it as it is just while adding on the form, and rest all. So this will show on update and rest all is fine. So now I will create event here, event registry, because what I want to do is like I want to trigger this UI action asynchronously. So basically so we don't want to wait that button to be executed it completely. So as soon as the button is clicked, and that code will run on backend, so it will go in a scheduler and the code will start triggering. All right, so I will try to create event, and then based on that event I will try to create a script action. So this is my event registry. I will click on new button. So now what I will define, LearnIT underscore task close incident. Okay, so now I will click on save, and now what I will do in UI action, so I will go back in my UI action and I will write my gs.event queue. All right, so here I will pass this event name, and I will pass my object, current object, and I will click on save. Before doing that, I will write one more code so that as soon as the button is clicked, so it will redirect on same page. So I will type current, that's it. So this is the thing which you have to write on UI action side, and we have already registered the event, and now we will create script action. So let me search script action here. So script action I have typed, and you can see we have under system policy events, we have under events, we have script actions. Now I will click on new button here. I will select the event when that event triggers, so this script action will trigger. All right. So now what I will do is like I will try to write a script here for incident task table. Suppose new glide record for incident task table. All right. And now what I will do, I will check the query, add query. Now I will check incident with current dot get unique value. So what this line is telling, so I have queried this incident task table and I am checking for incident the parent incident is same, so I am checking the unique value there. And then as soon as we have that condition checked, we will check whether our task is open, like open or one in progress. So I will check two conditions here mostly. Let me open it in a new tab, and then I will generate a query like and state is one of pending open work in progress. Okay, and I will click on run. Just remove this and I will add the query, and now so just for maintaining all values, so I have written add encoded query, and now dot query. Now I will write a while loop here. inc task dot next, and now I have selected this while loop here, and now I will try to add incident dot task dot state equal to 3. 3 is the complete state. Okay, now I will update it. Alright, so this is my script which I have written to close the tasks which are open, in progress or pending. Alright, and I will click on save. And one more thing here we have to do, by default this active flag is not checked, so you have to check this active flag, then only your script action will execute. So I will click on active and I will click on save again, so that our script action is enabled. All right, so yeah, so let's try to test what we are doing. We are clicking on this UI action which is displaying on form and then triggering this event, and as soon as the event is triggered we are executing this script action. So let's see how it executes. So now let me reload the form so that button will get displayed. So you can see we have close all task button here. displaying, and now you can see we have open task here. Both the tasks are open. So let me change, let me do one in progress. Okay, so that it will have other values under state. Now I will try to execute our close all task button, and we will see how these tasks are closed. All right, now you can see we have triggered close all task button, and state will be updated because the script action will be running asynchronously, right? So that it will not do anything with UI action. It will just only click and the code will transfer to run in asynchronous way. All right, so you can see both the tasks are closed and this script action is triggered. So this way we are able to fulfill this requirement or the scenario which we got in one of the interview question as well, and one of the requirement also. So I think we can try to execute a synchronous call using our UI action as well. All right, so yeah, this is all about this scenario. So please provide your comment if you have any questions, doubts or queries related to this session. For more information, please visit the description section under this video. Thanks for hearing me out. Stay tuned for more videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel LearnIT.